Today we install solar panels on the roof, so stay tuned. Hi everybody, this is Andreas from Offgrid Sweden. If you haven't been here before, I want to welcome you for the first time. On this channel I show you things that we do on the homestead, tips and tricks, reviews, stuff related to homesteading and off-grid living, and also videos like this one. If you haven't subscribed, please do so if you like the content, and you will get notified on new content. Now back to the topic of this video. It's a very exciting day on the homestead. Please start by giving the thumbs up if you think that it's important with green energy from the sun. Today the first part of the solar system is being installed. The inverter will get connected to the electrical grid in the house. It's an electrician that is doing the whole installation. The inverter is a SolarEdge SE15K and it's capable of delivering 23 ampere on 3 phases at 230 volts. There won't be any battery charge in this system due to the simple fact that we won't have any batteries in the system. This is totally my choice and I got a good reason to do it this way. The system is a grid-tied system, but we can add on batteries in the future, and I already got a little battery hack that will give us some power in case of a power outage. As you all know, this is a journey to a more sustainable way of life and off-grid living, and we do it step by step. The main reason for not going directly for batteries is the cost and the inconvenience. When I produce electricity and send it back to the power grid, I'm getting paid more than the price when I buy electricity. This means that I will get paid for using the grid as a battery bank. We also got a problem with producing enough power during the winter months and overproducing in the spring, summer and fall. So this will be the best solution for saving money and getting into solar at the urban homestead. A new day starts with a delivery of a 6.3 ton heavy Skylift. Our house is very high and it's much easier to get up on the roof using a machine like that. If you don't mind, please share this video. I believe it will answer a lot of questions about solar installation and help you or your friends if any of you are going for solar. After the Skylift was delivered, the panels and mounting hardware came. It's starting to get really exciting. The first thing they did was to lift the tiles on the roof and fasten the aluminium brackets. They stick out from the bottom of the tile so that the roof is still completely sealed. On the brackets they mount the aluminium profiles that the panels are being attached to. The part that took the longest time was to mount the brackets and the profiles. When they did the design of the panels, they miscalculated the space that it would take on the flat roof of the living room. They wanted to fit 21 panels, but they can only fit 2/3 of that. We agreed that we wouldn't mount any of them and instead come up with a better solution. Now we got the solution ready. Instead of 21 280 watt panels, we will get 16 350 watt panels. This will mean that we will get 280 watt less on that roof, but we will add one more 280 watt panel on the higher part of the roof. Hopefully, those panels will be ready to be delivered during the next week. What do you think about this setup? Please let me know down in the comments. I got a shout out today for DIY Solar and Wind. I leave a link down in the description so you can go and check him out. All the panels are connected in series by a pretty heavy wire that runs under the tiles. Down from the roof comes two wires, one plus and one minus. These are connected into the inverter. When that was done, they flipped the switch on the DC side and we started to produce our own power. I got a question on Instagram about the cost of the system. The cost per installed watt is about $1.3 or 11 Swedish crowns, and I believe that is a pretty good price. Overall, I'm very pleased with the installation. There were some small problems with the workers that I have to solve with the seller. We got our driveway destroyed and some tiles were broken, and there was some small other issues. They were finished really late that night, but we managed to produce 300 watt hours before the sun went down. The next day, it was really rainy and cloudy all day. We didn't see the sun at all, but we still pulled in 3.8 kilowatt hours. That's it for this week. I will see you in the next episode.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag, and then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.